Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on TalkBack's menu navigation option for Windows function in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for TalkBack's options. First we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Accessibility Options menu, then TalkBack, then Settings, next Customize Menus, then Customize TalkBack menu. And here in the navigation portion, we need to open Edit Navigation Options. Now, here we have our Windows option. So what does this function do exactly? From this short explanation, jump to other windows like volume controls or the navigation bar. So we can turn it on. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.